Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change font size in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your font size, so as you can change it. So as you can change your font size in your vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to change font size in our vivo phone. So guys, now let's see how to change it. Friend, first of all, come in your phone setting and guys tap here this display and brightness. Guys, tap here. As you can see your font size, so I tap here, and as you can change your font size from here extra large and guys largest. So I will click on this largest and guys come back, so you can see your font size guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to change font size in our vivo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. And guys, sorry for that outside sound guys, ignore it guys, focus on video.